Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Grand HiAce. It comes with 71,469 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.4 liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. Comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Oh. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. All right. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing down at the bottom, 115,020, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 71,469. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle on the outside. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you again.